No one is obligated to remove hair at their private areas, but if it's part of your normal routine that makes you feel great, we're not going to tell you to stop. In this video, we are going to share on how to remove private area hairs, and also tackle the key question: does hair removal work on the private area? When waxing, you not only remove unwanted hair, you also wax away any dry and dead skin cells in the process. Waxing can be painful depending on each individual person and his or her pain tolerance. Because the hair is removed at the root, some people say waxing is more painful than shaving. Laser hair removal is another longer-term hair removal option. Like electrolysis, this treatment targets the hair follicle. It works by damaging the follicle with high-heat lasers to stop new hair from growing. Since hair follicles grow and regrow in a cyclical fashion, following the hair growth cycle, all hair removal technologies require multiple sessions to ensure maximum effectiveness. SHR, or super hair removal, is a relatively newer technology which uses gentler pulses of energy at a higher pace. This laser hair removal technology allows the skin to be heated gently, but with the rapid pulses, the energy is then accumulated by the skin. Because of the gradual accumulation of the energy into the skin, there's less trauma and irritation on the skin, making it ideal and suitable for everyone, regardless of skin tone, and even for customers with sensitive skin. In fact, SHR is often considered to be one of the best laser hair removal treatments in Singapore given the various technology. Forget waxing and shaving and think laser. If you've been thinking about getting a Brazilian, consider Brazilian laser hair removal over Brazilian waxing or shaving for a more permanent solution to remove hair at your private areas. Your skin protects your body from harm and deserves to be well cared for. This means keeping hot waxes and rusty razors out of the picture. You'll get long-lasting results without the mess, and save time without the weight of unwanted hair with our gentle hair removal. Wellaholic's SHR hair removal is a hair removal innovation ideal for darker skin tone. Developed by Alma Lasers, SHR combines 755, 808, and 1064 nm laser wavelengths to target all skin types. In addition, simultaneous contact cooling prevents burns and allows for a more comfortable treatment. This is ideal for skin and hair of all types and causes minimal irritation to the skin. SHR has a better coverage of the body hairs on skin than IPL or OLED and prevents ingrown hairs. Wellaholic is well known for our unlimited plans, which provide unlimited SHR shots for unlimited body parts. If you would like an all-inclusive plan which includes SHR Prestige Unlimited, all that you need shaving and post-treatment whitening or hydrating, you can opt for our popular Wella Smooth all-inclusive hair removal plan. We provide excellent customer service and focus on creating a relaxed and comfortable environment for our customers. We do not hard sell. Instead, we let our services speak for themselves. We have many outlets in Singapore, so you can always find a Wellaholic outlet near you. At Wellaholic, we are constantly reviewing our brand promise, which is to provide affordable treatments for our customers and help our customers see results with treatments that are backed by science and research. We always work to ensure availability of capacity and slots, so that customers can make bookings easily online. Over the years, Wellaholic has received over 1,000 positive customer reviews on TripAdvisor, Google Review, as well as Facebook Review. Customers generally like Wellaholic for its high level of hygiene, helpful and friendly staff, as well as transparent pricing and no hard selling. We look forward to seeing you at Wellaholic. Check out our website at wellaholic.com. Or to make a free booking, go to Wellaholic Live/book. See you.